Okay, this is my first video ever recorded intentionally. Uh, the purpose of this video is to uh, create documentation for me for the future, for the things that I've been learned, and the main purpose beside of all of that is I want to gain some confidence, especially when speaking. So uh, for today section, I would like to do some installation using I would like to do I would like to do some installation for the Linux operating system or the distro. So I want to try to install Arch Linux. For now, I want to install it with my VirtualBox, my virtual manager. I'm not using VirtualBox, by the way. Uh, so basically, Arch Linux over some interesting features that uh, that I think that might fit for my workflow because Arch Linux, as it can be seen in here, so it's full of customization. Arch Linux, you can we can download it even in the some low spec uh, PC. And yeah, the reason why I want to install this is I like the features, especially the window manager. Uh, yeah, I want to try the i3 window manager. Yeah, as it can be seen here, there are a lot of tutorial for the installation process, and in this video oh yeah, I kind of forget I have this kind of list that we're going to be yes, yeah, oops, yeah, this is the arc 101. I call it arc 101 because the main purpose of this recording video to help me to help me archiving the process that I've been through when I'm installing these arcs. So the main goals is I'm going to install the Arch Linux within my virtual manager applications. I'm using GNOME boxes here, and after I uh, succeed to install the Arch Linux, I will do the installation of i3 furthermore. And the extra goals that we aim for this video, I'm going to uh, learn some window manager command because window manager is very different with the general operating system, as it can as it's globally reviewed that uh, i3 window manager over some minimalist desktop that me as a user can be focused on the things that I'm going to learn, the programming itself. So let's get started. I'm going to open my boxes here. Yep, is the boxes. Okay, going to minimize this more. And oh yeah, by the way, I'm going uh, the tutorial itself. I followed in the tutorial that available in the internet, so I use the FreeCodeCamp, the official installation guide from Arch Linux. Yeah, these both of this website from the FreeCodeCamp Arch Linux, and the practical ones I use from Linux SysOps. Oh yeah, by the way, I kind of forget for a second. I'm going to mount a hard drive here. So yeah, let's get started. I'm using GNOME boxes here, and it's quite handy if compare it to the VirtualBox by Oracle. The GNOME box, it's really good to someone that needs only for trying to the distro before the distro hopping. So I have already downloaded the ISO, the Arch Linux. So I'm going to the other location here and choose where the location of my ISO of Arcs, and where is it? This is the Arch Linux. It's very small size compared to uh, other ISO for other distros, uh, because it comes with minimum configuration, and me as a user, we can do whatever we want to customize our desktop. So yeah, it's quite interesting. So we only need to install the things that we're going to use, so it's not bloated enough if I compare it into the distros that I've been used. So from now on, I'm using Pop OS. If someone curious about what distros that I use, yeah, as it can be seen here, I'm using the GNOME. I'm using the Pop OS 2204. Yeah, the things that I consider to move to Pop OS, it's because of the tiling manager. Yeah, I love this tiling manager. It's really fit with my workflow, but it has a bloated memory. I kinda don't like though, because I don't know, GNOME cells, as I read the internet, it has and it's consume much RAM for the better performance, but I do feel I don't really need this RAM resources, RAM consume. Uh, so I consider to move to Arc. Yeah, so let's get started to our main purposes. So I'm going to choose the Arch Linux ISO here. I'm going to open it. The memory itself means the random access memories. We'll give it into 4 GB. The storage limit itself, I'm going to set up to 80 GB. No, 50. It's too much for 50. I'm going to create it now. So yeah, wow. Okay, so we just run the Arch Linux here, It's quite interesting. So I'm going to move the browser into the other monitor, so me in the future can see it clearly what is just happened for the installation process. So I'm going to move it into other distros, and yeah, now we have it. Okay, I'm going to make it. Wait a minute. I'm going to have some configuration. I'm going to check. Okay, can I? Huh, how do I change Arch Linux? First try. I'm going to change the name. Next, first try. Okay. So now there is the configuration here. Press left control, alt to ungrab. Okay. Okay, I'm going to look into the process. So wait a second. Wait a minute. Okay. I'm going to exit this one. Sudo reboot. Oh, reboot. Okay, I'm going to reboot it first because I don't know what just happened with my. Okay, we're going to enter. We're going to choose the first option here. Okay, this does not want to work. Okay, so okay, right now I'm in the inside the Arch Linux here. I don't know how to zoom these things. Yeah, how about the Control Alt then? Nah, it is not. Okay, right now I'm in the root directory in the Arch Linux itself. So the first things that we are going to do, according to the tutorial, is to set up the console keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to set up my keyboard here. Key maps. Dot map dot gz. Okay, I think it will list the. This will list all the available key maps. Okay, I just ls all the. And now, for example, if you have the Mac OS keyboard layout, locate the corresponding map.gz file. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, you can use the load keys command to load the desired key map to set Mac OS map.gz as default. Execute. Okay, I'm going to execute the command here using load keys. Mac US. No. Okay. Last. Oh, more. The Vorjak, Euromap, Keypad, Unicode Windows key Emacs. Yeah, we are going to choose the Windows key. Yep, yeah. It doesn't matter. Okay, I'm going to load the key from there. So the tutorial set as macOS map. Wait a minute, I'm going to make sure. Where's the QWERTY one? Biowin in this div key map. Yeah, we're going to choose the dev key map one. Dev key map. Wait. Okay. Load keys. Wait a minute. Wait a second. I can, and I wonder what would be the ideal choice of load keys for general. Load keys for general Windows. Okay. So right now I read a tutorial that come from the Arch Linux wiki. List key map, I search load keys, key map, keymap.uk. Where to choose load keys? How to choose load keys for key maps? Look at the corresponding. Mac. How do I use Mac? So for these purposes of tutorial, for the sake of the tutorial, we're going to load keys of the KeyMac. Load keys Mac. Yes, I don't feel it will have some specific different when I load up this. Okay, how do I change? Okay, so oh man, there's some problem with this. And probably it's not going to be good. Okay, here's some error. I'm going to delete this and we're going to create it once again. Yeah. load keys for Arch Linux normal. Arch Linux load keys normal key maps. No, no, it's not going to be a huge problem. Ya, we just trying to figure it out here. Oh, so what if we're not change? We're not. I'm not going to change anything for the key maps. Yeah, we just leave it as it is. Okay, Linux install. Okay, it's installing now. Okay. How do I change? How do I look? Uh, wait. Local, HTL, ECTL, Apple, colme control de latini, FR. Okay, Windows key. What if I change it into a Windows key? Oops. Load keys and window. Okay, how do I look? Okay, local ECTL status rank UTF is X11 layout system local. See the load key detail. Okay, it's kind of interesting. It's hard, but yeah, this is going to be a good understanding or when I try to use the Linux for the future. Yeah, a persistent key map. So vconsole.com. Is there any? Nah. ATC. Oh, it's more than I expected. load keys, key map, etc. vConsole. Where's vConsole here? There is no vConsole. Okay, I'm going to etc vConsole vconsole.conf. Vim. Okay, there's Vim. Not V, but Vim. TC. V. I'm going to add a key map equals to UK. Okay. Local ectl set key map. Now convert key map. Nah, we're going to save it for later. So yeah, I don't feel it, because I don't feel it's going to be a big problem, because yeah, I can just type exactly like the keyboard here. Yeah, it's not going to be a big problem, right, for the future. Okay, I'm going to verify to the boot mode. Here we're going to look ls sys firmware ev first. Interesting. I'm going to delete it once again, and we are going to enable EFI here. So memory, I'm going to use the 4 GB here, and yeah, 20 G. I do feel 30 GB, it's much. Okay, yeah, at least we know what we are going to do, and we don't need to bother about the EFI, I mean the key map section. Yeah, we can just focus into the verify the boot mode. So okay, firmware AV first. Okay, so we are in the AV first here, because yeah, things to learn. We need to enable the EFI configuration when first set up the image or the ISO. Okay, first things first, we need to connect it into internet. Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to ping the Google DNS here. Yep, it is connected to the internet because yeah, I'm here. We are using the virtual box, so it's automatically connect to the internet. Yeah, using the wireless or the virtual connection to the uh, our main laptop. So I want to look ISO. Oh, it's not enabling the Wi-Fi. So what does IWCTL mean? So the library comes with the IWD, iNet Wireless Daemon. Okay, this is used to connect to the nearby wireless network. Oh, okay. The device list. There's no internet. Station LAN 0 scan. Of course, no. Yeah, because we already connect to the internet. Okay. Next part is installing the system clock using this command time.ctl set ntp and true. Okay, this command will start outputting some output, and after a few seconds, if you do not see command cursor show up again, try pressing enter. I faced this. Okay, get it. Next, we are going to do some partition this and look the this what kind of this structure available to from this virtual manager or the GNOME boxes. Okay, I have to this. The main is the 30 gigs of storage in the VDA and the dev loop. What is loop? It should be exact. Okay, I'm going to read it down. As you can see, there are two devices connected to my computer, virtual machine. Okay, depends on the room, loop, everywhere from this. So that live us with the D50. Okay, so it depends uh, on the type of configuration of the storage. So once you have decided device to use, it's good idea to check if there are any existing partition inside the device. To do so, you can use the following version. Okay, I'm going to have this def.vda -l. So there is no partition in this VDA. So we need to create some partition using the CF disk. No, I'm not going to use the CF disk. Best version table. There is another program. The FT's program can do a lot more than just listing partition. Okay, thank you for the tips. There's another program, CF disk, which is Crucis. Okay, we are going to partition the VDA disk using the CF disk .def.vda. Yep, the first level type. Okay, we're going to the GPT. I will type here. The free space itself comes The available size is the 30 gigs, and the GPT. What is GPT? Just GPT on your. You can move for your device. It's ARC. You'll need 3 separate partitions: EFI, root, and swap for storing files. Okay, I'm going to the 500 MB. Yeah, this is for the Linux file system. 500 kali 1024 berapa ya? Kal 512. Oke. Okay, the other one. So this is the EVI system. Okay, for the second part is for the Linux file system. That is the root partition. So okay, we're going to have this is about 28, yep, and the last one is 1.5 G to oops. I'm going to change the type into the Linux web. Yep, yeah. Linux file system. Okay, there is a matter of okay, we're going to quit. So make sure. My bad. New 500 M. GPT. Yeah. It gigs. The swap. And we're going to write it out. Yes. And okay. VDA. Second one is ext4. And okay, if look into L, so yeah, we create the partition and the dev VDA. Okay, the partition succeed. Next step, we're going to mounting the file system. So the command is so simple. Mount dev the VDA to, yep, dollars mount dev VDA 2, and we're going to make it as mount. Okay, and this is for the this command is to initiate the VDA 3 as a Linux one. Okay, now move into other mirror. What is mirror? Reflector. Sorry, the answer comes with reflector, a Python script written for retrieving okay. Ah, shit. Oh, it's quite lame, and yeah, it's kind of challenging, you know. I need to speak in English while I'm thinking to while I'm thinking when what kind of problem that I'm face when installing this thing, the Arch Linux. So it's my brain's right now doing some multitasking tasks. The one side to let's say to the one side of my brain thinking about the process that I should write, and the other one simultaneously I should think what the English words in my main language. Yeah, it's kind of hard to speak not in my main language. So we need to choose the reflector, but which selector? Which reflector? So reflector country, I will choose Indonesia and Singapore. H12 protocol, HTTPS sort red. Okay, I should add the download timeout. 60. Wait a second, wait a second. What is Singapore? Edit some typo there. Okay. Still waiting. Can I install i3 in my Pop OS? Okay, so yeah, why don't I release pacman d mirror dot back means backup. So we're going to run the same command like this, but I'm going to save it into, oops, my bad. Shit. Save. Etc. Pacman D. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, failed to retrieve. Read operation timeout. Oh, it's quite long, by the way. It's about 5 minutes. Yeah, should wait for the. Donut timeout after 60 seconds. Uh, okay. The repository has already finished download, so I'm going to download the Pacman base system here. Version. Okay. Oh, it's quite fast. Okay. So we need to backstrap, install the backstrap, and mount base table Linux Linux firmware sudo nano ntfs sudo firm ntfs -3g network manager. Okay, so we are downloading uh the basic basic config. Yeah, zlib arch linux autoconf automake. So yeah, we're waiting. From now on, it will take a long time though. So yeah, we'll just wait maybe about a minute or a second. I don't know. It's almost an hour for now, and yeah, I would like to stop this, to pause the recording. So the download is done. uh, I'm going to move into the next process of what's the next process. Backstrap. So I already did the backstrap using the mount and boot. Yeah, we already base table. Okay, so now we're going to set up the FS step. What is man? Let's FS step. Oops. Again, let's can FS step. And again FS step. Let's okay. Again FS step. I mean here. Mount to DC FS step. So did you get an FS step? The program can detect all the current mounts below a given mount point and print them in FS step compatible format to standard output. So how to log in to the newly installed system using chroot. So I'm going to so I'm in the root. Okay, ls user set zone info. So if I ls into I'm in Jakarta. Where's Jakarta? Yep, there's Jakarta there. Man LN. Okay, LN F user there and info. Yeah. Jakarta. him the jail locally. Oh, no. uh, so I'm going to proper. Oke, tadi so just download the Shark server for the backend running from for the application inside the Arc. So yeah, I want to install. Okay. The first. Okay. Already did it. Okay, how do I install the i3VM? Oops. Sudo pacman man s i3. Uh, i3 caps. Okay. Stark. Circ. Okay. Press left control alt bar. Hmm. Anjrit. Salah lagi. Babi. Kontol dan anjing.